So in today's video, I am back with another kind of beauty hack. So we're not spending a lot of money at the store. I'm gonna give you a DIY on body oil so you can feel good and be glowing and stuff, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned to that video, it is up next. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming by today. Today's video is a DIY project and we are going to do body oil. If you have not seen my previous video on my cocoa lemon body scrub, make sure that you check that out because it smells delicious and my skin is getting so much softer. I struggle and have struggled with dry, dehydrated skin for many years. And even in the beauty industry, I really just never took care of myself. So after 41, I lost weight and I was like, you know what? I gotta do better with my skin care, because skin is the largest organ on the body. So you wanna take care of it. And I wasn't doing that before. So I decided to kind of stop getting like the grocery store or like, I love Sephora, but like, products that were made with other fillers. Just so they can have a longer shelf life. I was like, no, you know what, too many toxins, too many, bad ingredients. So I decided to make my own body oil. So all you gotta do is really simple. Just find an empty bottle or go to your beauty supply store and get, like, whether it's a screw top or if it's a flip top, whatever kind of top you want, but get get an empty bottle. I like this one because it has the ounces on the outside. So this is a 6-ounce jar, tube, or whatever, bottle. Anyway, and because my skin is, like I said, on the drier side, I'm gonna use more of a certain base product once I get into that, and I'll tell you in one second. So I tend to use this body oil after the shower. So after you get out the shower, pat it down, pat your skin down. Don't dry off too much. Pat your skin down and apply the body oil everywhere. And if you still feel like you're a little still dry, just go ahead and maybe put some lotion or put some cocoa butter or coconut oil or something on top to really lock in that moisture. But I've been finding with just my body oil, I'm solid throughout the whole day. It's cold outside, it's dry as heck up here in South Carolina. So I'm just saying, I gotta get more water in my system and just more hydration on my skin. So without further ado, let's get into this video. So, as I said, 6-ounce bottle. I am going to use castor oil. Castor oil is great. I'm gonna read on my paper, okay guys? Castor oil is a thicker texture, first of all, and it's gonna soothe and help with inflammation. So, and if you have like eczema or psoriasis or something like that, castor oil is going to really help with that, as well as promote wound healing. So if you have a cut, it's great, or scars. It also fights fungus, and it's healthy for the hair and scalp. I also use castor oil and rosemary on my scalp to help with the inflammation that I have going on there. So I am going to put about 2 ounces of castor oil in here, okay? Because I want a thicker texture. I tried it before with olive oil, but olive oil was a little too thin for me. I like it thick. 2 ounces of castor oil. Next, I'm going to get another oil called jojoba. Some people might say jojoba, but it is jojoba oil, okay? And this jojoba oil is going to be good. It is a carrier oil, so if you're going to use an essential oil, you want something like jojoba or grapeseed to mesh with it, so the essential oil doesn't sometimes, I don't know if it burns your skin, but it could be just too much for your skin. So you want a carrier oil. So this is gonna soothe dry patches. So again, eczema and psoriasis, anti-aging. So we love that, right? Because after 40, oh, shoot. So maybe we need like a little spout on this one. I just wasted too much product. Anywho, we're gonna go ahead and keep on going. We're gonna put carefully 1 ounce of this in. I can't believe I just did that. I'm hurt right now, but okay. Anyway, 1 ounce of jojoba oil. So far we have 3 ounces of oil, and you can see the difference. So because I said the castor oil is a lot thicker, the jojoba oil is a lot thinner, so it's not mixing just yet. And then we're going to do olive oil. Olive oil is going to moisturize dry skin, moisturize and hydrate, fight bacteria, so that's also good, and then fade scars. So this, again, if you have, you know, scars on your skin, so we're gonna do about 1.5 ounces of olive oil. Okay. Olive oil. And you can also cook with this. This is extra virgin olive oil. I got it from Earth Fare. It is organic, fresh, cold pressed olive oil. Then we're going to do sweet almond oil, which again is another carrier oil. It helps to depuff under the eyes. It helps to treat dry skin, once again. It helps to reverse sun damage. So if you have sunspots, sun damage, it's great for that. And then it improves complexion. So if you have uneven skin tone, sweet almond oil will help. We're gonna put 1 ounce of this. So at least the sweet almond oil had a little, you know, spout to it so I didn't make a mess again. Okay. And last but not least, we're going to do our vitamin E oil. Vitamin E is everything. Now, with vitamin E, when you go to the store, there'll be different types of vitamin E, different IUs. But try to find one that is strictly vitamin E, so there's no other added ingredients. You have to look on the back of the label. So on the back of this one, it says, I can't pronounce it, but tocopherol acetate. So it's just like a vitamin that's used, it's just vitamin E. So some of them will have like sunflower oil, other additives in there. Try not to get that because we're gonna make our own oil, okay? That's just a little side note. So in this scenario, I'm going to take, oh Lord, this is a mess. Y'all help me. Okay, I got this. I had a little, what you call that? A funnel, but I just found that was a little, because it's oil, so it took too long. I don't really have the patience for it. So I use about 1/2 ounce of vitamin E. This stuff is what I would say is expensive. It's $11.99, and I just need to just preserve it, okay? And I'll go ahead and top this off with a little more castor oil. And you can decide if you want to fill your whole bottle up. You don't have to, but it obviously will last you a little bit longer if you do. Right now I have a bunch in my bathroom. I made like little 2-ounce jars. So that's what we have here. If you want, you can add some essential oils. So you know I love lemongrass, so I'm gonna add a few drops of that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, just 10. Because I'm not really gonna put this on my face. I have one for my face. Honestly, on my face, I've just been using vitamin E and sweet almond oil. Okay. Give it a little shake, 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 shake. But y'all know I'm already a mess over here and I gotta clean this up. But that is it. This is my winter oil, okay, that I'm gonna put on my skin. I've already gotten in the shower. I've already hydrated. I'm gonna rub this jojoba oil in that I wasted. But it's something, you know, décolleté, people, when you start getting older, you start getting wrinkles and stuff like that up on your neck. So oil is gonna really help. I know some people are like, oil? No, don't do oil. Oil is really good and safe for the skin. Sometimes when it's too thick, like the castor oil, it can clog pores. So if you are prone to acne, you might want to get a thinner oil like the jojoba or sweet almond. That's just a side note. So, but if not, and you just say you suffer with dry skin, this should be helpful. Definitely tailor it to fit your needs, whatever works best for you. However, this is my winter oil. I don't know what to call it, but it is delicious and my skin is so much better. Before in previous videos, I told you guys I suffered with dryness. Because I'm hydrating like 2 or 3 times more than I did before, it doesn't sound like paper anymore. So I'm noticing a difference in my skin. So I definitely strongly suggest you try these oils. You don't have to get them all, but the investment was about about $40 with everything. But when you think of that, $40, $45, not one time, but you can get about probably 4, you know, times. You can use this 4 times, if that makes sense. You can refill it. So you can go buy a, you know, $40 bottle of pre-made oil with added chemicals and toxins and everything. Cool. And you can do that every month, and that's gonna be how much? You see what I'm saying? So this, I'm trying to save you some money as well. So you know, chic on the cheap, bougie with a budget, whatever you want to call it. Champagne taste on the beer budget. That's just me. I like fine things, but I don't like to pay the price. Okay, just saying. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a comment below. Definitely, again, subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you think, what y'all think about my hair. I like this hair. I think it's cute. What you think? So you know, just let me know what kind of videos you want to see coming up. This is a new year, a new me, a new you. We are grateful. We are showing gratitude, and I am grateful for life, health, and strength. I am grateful for the ability to come share with you my tips and tricks, my strategies and suggestions. So until we meet again, I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.